is up, everybody? So it's me, Alexis Verde. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. It helps get this message out there. And the message for today is basically like, I just want to remind y'all that fruits and vegetables grow from the ground. Like, they either grow in tree form or they just grow in a bush. Like, they just pop out from the ground and just like, you know? And it's so easy to freaking grow your own fruits and veggies. Like, I've been growing these green onions. I'll put the video here. Like, they've just been sprouting and rooting, and it's only been like a week and a half. And it's so cool because I'm showing my mom, and you know, she's never grown her own food, but she loves green onions. So I just think it was something like special to do, to show her like, look at how easy it is to kind of grow your favorite foods. You know, she loves to put them on salads and stuff. And so I also have some carrots growing, and I put some onion in the ground, and some potatoes, some ginger root. And the thing is, like, we toss our vegetable scraps away like all the time. You know, you eat a banana, then you just throw the peel in the trash and it goes to the dump, you know. But that banana peel has so much nutrients in it. It's gonna disintegrate. But like, if you threw those, you know, orange peelings and apple rinds and coffee grounds, eggshells, if you threw that in one area called compost, like, well, composting, the act of composting, then, and you add it with soil, and you add it with old leaves and just different materials, like natural materials from earth, then you're gonna have some really nice, delicious soil that fruits and vegetables are gonna love to grow from, you know. And this stuff is expensive in stores, and so that's the thing. Like, right now, we all know what's going on, and the stores are looking wild, you know. But I just feel like we're shifting. Like, everything is shifting. This world, like, one system is collapsing. Clearly, it's already collapsed, and another one is emerging, right? And I just see this new world emerging as a world where people don't have to rush to go to the grocery store when they hear threats of things closing down. Like, instead, you just go, you're fine, because if anything, you just stock up on more seeds. But you're fine because your backyard has an abundance of fruits and vegetables that you're already eating and growing. So I just want to remind y'all, like, it's super easy to grow your own foods, and I'm doing it right now. I'm not just talking it, you know. Like, it's step by step. It's a take baby steps in this process. But I think it's super important to just start to empower yourself and realize how simple, easy it is, how much money you'll save. Hello, like, you'll save so much money. People always say like they can't start a vegan diet or whatever because it's gonna be too expensive. Well, just grow your own, you know. Even if you already had carrots, for example, if you chop off the end of the carrot and put it back in the ground, you're gonna have like more carrots. I saw a video that said that you only grow the carrot leaves, but those can also be used to cook with, you know. Basically what I'm saying is that we're already spending money, so with that money that we're spending, we can recycle it and depend on ourselves, you know. Yeah, that's pretty much the message for today. That's really all I wanted to say. I'll add in one little extra bit. So I've been making these really cool like plant arrangements. I'll show the video of like some more. Well, I got it from in front of my house, and they grow by themselves. And one of my great aunt, she had a home full of them, and you see like that dangly one up there. So she would have a bunch of those, but they were full and very lush, and they would just, you know, fall over and everything. So that's what I'm doing now, and I'm really like happy about it. I have a bunch, like 1, 2, 3, 4 bottles, like regular bottles full, and I have that one too. So I have 5 of these beautiful plants, and I just really love, this is another one. This is just eucalyptus in a wine bottle, but I just love to have green in my room, and especially during these times when we're not going outside as much. Even though we could always go into nature, but it's just important that like your living space, you know, is breathable and you feel good in it. So that's the message for today, y'all. Peace. Make sure you like this video. Did you like it? Did you like it? Help a sister out. Did you like it? Share the video. We gonna get this message out. Leave comments. Like, are you growing fruits and vegetables? Do you garden? Like, are you aware that it's a myth that people can like either have a green thumb or not have a green thumb? Everything is learnable, you know. Like, but anyway, peace, y'all. Got a mason jar with my water, spirulina. Mamacita, pleased to meet ya. Oh, you are line too. I'm feeling the vibe.